Hi, I'm Allison Johnson, the GIS manager here at the City, and I'd like to welcome you to the GIS in Lynchburg introductory video. The purpose of this video is to share with you our vision for GIS in the City, highlight examples of how GIS is being used by employees already, as well as to introduce to you an exciting new educational opportunity that's open to all City employees. When most people hear the term GIS, or Geographic Information System, they instantly think of a map. And although we do make a lot of maps, GIS has so much more to offer. This video isn't really about what GIS is, but more about what you can do with GIS to improve your operational efficiency, make more informed decisions, and communicate your message or information more effectively. We've recently transitioned from focusing on building a solid GIS infrastructure to finding ways to leverage the power of GIS to benefit you, the City employee, and we're excited to share with you some stories from employees that have already seen the benefits from the use of GIS. GIS can really help you, but you don't just have to take my word for it. Keep on watching to hear about some of our favorite success stories that highlight the power of GIS and how it's already being used effectively here in the City of Lynchburg.
Before working with the GIS team, I mapped out all my inspections manually using MapQuest. Even though this got the job done, it was less than an ideal solution as it took a lot of time, it was inflexible to changes in scheduling, and required a visit to the office to print out a map. I knew there was a better way. That's when I decided to approach the GIS teams and hoped that they would be able to help out. Working together with GIS, we were able to build upon my old workflow and streamline the entire process. By pulling data that's already in our Track-It system and mapping it using an easy-to-use, free mobile app, we were able to drastically reduce the amount of time I spent figuring out where to go next. Another benefit to this approach is that anyone on our team can use the same solution, increasing the operational efficiency of our department and freeing up time that I can use for professional development or to go the extra mile in helping out one of our customers.
For tourism, communicating to visitors is key. With the City hosting the 2016 Virginia Commonwealth Games at Liberty University, the Tourism Office wanted a creative and unique way to share the many attractions in Lynchburg with visitors and citizens alike. We found the perfect solution using the GIS department to interactively communicate attractions within the city, as well as nearby shops and restaurants. The process was easy. I just needed to provide information readily available from the Tourism Office, like photos and addresses of our attractions. By mapping this basic data, the GIS team was able to create a fun, easy-to-use interactive web app or story map. It has been a great tool used in communicating attractions for participants of the Commonwealth Games. But outside of this event, the Visitor Center and Lynch's Landing can showcase the many attractions that Lynchburg has to offer using this user-friendly web app. This solution is not just limited to special events and attractions, though. I highly recommend using this GIS-generated tool to communicate with citizens about ongoing projects. Using GIS as a means of communication can supplement and enhance your message to leadership, boards, panels, citizens, and more.
Recently, Fire Station 6 underwent significant renovations to modernize what is the oldest fire station in the City of Lynchburg. Given the significance of the renovations, closing the fire station was unavoidable, leaving us with the dilemma of how to maintain the current level of service to our citizens. One idea was to restation the equipment and personnel to an existing fire station. Determining which location was proving to be difficult. Knowing that we needed more information to make the best decision possible, we asked the GIS team for assistance. Using call history pulled from the emergency services data and the routing capabilities of GIS, the team was able to perform an analysis that proved to be indispensable to our decision-making process. The information and visual that resulted from the analysis allowed us to not only understand the current workload of Station 6, but to also understand the potential impact of each proposed temporary location. We were able to make adjustments to balance demand and ensure the highest rate of acceptable response times. Working with GIS, we were able to make a more informed decision on how to solve a difficult problem. Since its initial collaboration, we continue to call upon the GIS team to provide assistance to making the most informed decisions that we possibly can.
You have a sheet that I gave you that has your username, password information. Keep that.
Workforce development is an important aspect of the work culture here at the City of Lynchburg. As city employees, you're encouraged to take classes that will benefit you both personally and professionally. The GIS team has provided this unique opportunity for all employees to participate in the GIS Academy. Through the GIS course offerings, employees can find new ways to effectively communicate, become more efficient in daily operations, be assisted by analysis to aid in decision-making, and so much more. You've just seen a few examples of how our employees have benefited from GIS, but the benefits are not limited to these stories. From leadership to field technicians and everyone in between, GIS can benefit your daily task and aid in analyzing and problem solving. Sign up for any or all of the GIS classes offered through the Edge Learning Management System to see how you can become a more empowered employee. How great is it that just by watching this short video, you've already completed one of the classes? Be sure to explore all of the opportunities at the GIS Academy and see how GIS and mapping can work for you.
I hope that this video has helped you to understand our vision for GIS in Lynchburg and maybe even sparked a few ideas of how you can leverage GIS to improve your operational efficiency, make more informed decisions, and communicate your message more effectively. I encourage you to participate in the GIS Academy to learn more about what GIS has to offer and how it can empower you to become a better employee. If you already have ideas for how you could use GIS in your daily job, please email the GIS team at gis@lynchburgva.gov or call us at City Extension 3961. Thanks, and the GIS team looks forward to hearing from you and seeing you in class.